This is Jenny Naslund. In this video, we will be talking about Google Slides. To create a new Google Slide, you'll go up to New in Drive, and you'll select Google Slides. When Google Slides opens, again, the first thing you're going to want to do is label your presentation. Once I've labeled it, over here on the right hand side, you'll get to choose your theme that you want for your presentation. So you just go ahead and slide through and pick a slide or theme that you like. And what a theme does is it adds a color scheme behind your presentation. To edit text, it'll tell you the areas that you can add text. So I'll start there. And then I can add subtitles if I want to. When I'm ready to add another slide, if I click right here next to this plus sign, it'll give me all the different types of options that I have for layouts. So I choose the one that I want. I click on it and you'll see that it'll show up here. Once I'm here, some of the things I can do to edit, if you look up here, some of my options. You have these options, and you also have a lot more options. If you click on the More button, I can add bullets to my presentation if I wanted to. I can change the colors of text if I want to. I can bold, I can make things bigger or smaller with the font size. I can change my font. Some of the other options that I have up here, I can insert pictures. If I wanted to do that, I click on the image button and you get a couple options. You can search by URL and type the URL of the image that you want to use out on the internet. Or you can upload a picture where you just drag and drop a picture somewhere from your desktop or your computer right onto it. And you can adjust and move your images around wherever you would choose. Some of the other things that you can do is you can link text. So if I was going to link an email address, I can highlight the part that I want to link. I could say insert link, and I could type in an email address or something else if I wanted to in order to link it. And I just hit apply and it would add it on there. Those are some of the basic editing things that you can do in your slides. Again, you want to make sure that you click on more. You can actually hide these themes to give yourself some more room. There's also some transition options if you want to move from one slide to the next slide. The transitions are a great way to do that. I can choose, for example, like slide from left to right, and the slide will slide in. So those transitions are kind of fun to add into presentations. Again, if you don't see all the options, if you click on more, you'll see more of the options. So those are some of the customization things that you can do. When you want to share your presentation with someone else, you can hit share. Again, you can collaborate together. You can type in the person's name that you want to share it with, click on it, add a message, they'll get an email. You can also give them different rights. They can edit, they can comment, or they can view. And then you can send that message if you want to add them on there. When you want to present your presentation, you just click on present and it's going to kind of go off my screen here, but it'll allow you to present. Those are kind of the big things. The other thing that you can do is print. If I go to File, I go down to the bottom here, I can print my presentation, which oftentimes is nice if you're giving a presentation. You can do different options about how big you want to print it if you want to change that. Another thing that you can do is you can download your presentation. So I could download it as a PowerPoint, or if I wanted to make it into images or a PDF document, you could do that as well. Just click on what you want and you'll see that it'll download, and then that'll be on your computer. So those are the very basics of Google Slides.